Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off security delay settings on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to Face ID and passcode. Now from here, just enter your lock screen passcode. Now on this page, you will find the option of stolen device protection. Just tap on it and from here, just disable stolen device protection. Now just confirm using your Face ID. Now once you do that, the security delay option will appear on the screen. From here, just select Start Security Delay. Now it will count down for an hour. For now, just tap on Done and wait for an hour. Now after an hour, you will receive this notification that says that the countdown for the security delay has been ended. Now once you receive this notification, just open Settings, then go to Face ID and Passcode. Now just enter your lock screen passcode. Then tap on Stolen Device Protection. And from here, just disable Stolen Device Protection. Now just enter your lock screen passcode to confirm. And once you do that, you will turn off security delay on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn off security delay on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.